Now let's talk about base types in Python, and there are such types as integer, number without decimal part, float, number with decimal part, for example 2.5, string, ABC, you could use either double quotes or single quotes, both work, boolean, either true or false, none, that is used in order to represent value that is undefined. You could also verify type of any value using type function. Type, parenthesis, and here let's check type of the number 2. And I see class int. Why class? Because Python is object-oriented programming language, and any value is basically instance of specific class. And here we see that this number 2 is instance of the class int, integer. Let's check type of the float number, 1.5. I see class float. Let's check type of the string, ABC, class str. Let's check type of the false or true value, I see bool. And let's check type of the none. I get class none type. You could very easily convert value of one type to another using such functions as str, that stands for string, int, integer, float, and bool. I could convert to string, for example, number 100, and here is string. Also, I could convert to string boolean value, for example, true, and I get string true. Let's convert to integer string 50, and I get number 50. Let's convert to integer boolean value true, and I get 1. If I convert false, of course I'll get 0. Let's try to convert to integer string, for example ABC. And Python was not able, of course, to convert such string to integer, and I got value error invalid literal for int function.